If you're experiencing login failure 2026 in Overwatch 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Overwatch website or social media channels to check if there are any server outages or maintenance announcements. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Overwatch 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues with the game client. Step 3. Update your game. Ensure that your game is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your platform and install them, as outdated versions can cause login issues. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're on a console, clear the cache by turning off the console, unplugging it for a few minutes, and then restarting it. For PC users, you can clear the battle.net cache by closing the client, navigating to the battle.net folder, and deleting the cache folder. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, consider uninstalling and reinstalling Overwatch 2. This can fix corrupted files that may be causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure 2026 issue and enjoy playing Overwatch 2 again. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Blizzard support for further assistance.